How to become an artist.
Transitioning from an amateur artist to a professional artist, an artist who earns money for their work, can be challenging. Developing your talent and exhibiting your work will help you establish yourself as a professional artist so that you can begin to earn a living. Becoming a professional artist takes a lot of time and hard work, but in the end, it will be worth it to get paid to do what you love.
Part 1. Developing your talent.
1. Go to art school. Search online to find out which art schools are in your area, or which schools offer specializations in the type of art you want to pursue. While it is possible to become a professional artist without attending school, this is the most common starting point for amateur artists who want to transition into professionals. If you know what type of professional art career you want to pursue, try looking into trade school programs. These programs are generally non-degree programs that offer extensive courses in several specialties, such as graphic design and painting. If you know you want to be a professional artist but are unsure what type of artist you want to be, try looking into schools that offer a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree. Bachelor's programs are typically 4-year programs that give you the opportunity to take a variety of art classes and afford you time to figure out what your artistic passion is. If you have a bachelor's degree and are looking to specialize in a particular type of art, consider looking into a master's degree program, such as a Master of Fine Arts. 2. Attend art classes or workshops held by professional artists. Check with local museums, galleries, art schools, and studios to find out about opportunities to take art classes or attend workshops. Many art-related institutions offer classes and workshops frequently, so you will likely be able to find several options. Taking advantage of these offerings will allow you to learn more about the type of art you want to pursue professionally, and will give you the opportunity to practice and receive feedback from professionals. 3. Work on improving your artistic skills every day. As with any career, becoming a professional artist takes hard work and consistent practice. While you may have natural talent or have developed new artistic skills in a degree program, by taking classes or workshops, working on your art every day, or as often as you can, will help you hone your skills and find your artistic strengths. Putting in the work also helps build your confidence in your art and in presenting yourself as a professional artist. 4. Find your unique perspective as an artist. Experiment with different mediums and search for inspiration in a variety of places to help you find your unique perspective as an artist. To make a name for yourself as a professional artist, you will want your art to be recognizable as yours. While talent and quality are important, distinctive pieces of art are the most popular in terms of what sells. Traveling, seeking out new experiences, and observing the world around you can help you find inspiration and uncover what you want to convey through your art.
Part 2. Promoting your work.
1. Create a portfolio of your work. To promote your work through almost any professional organization, you will need to create and submit a portfolio of your work. A strong portfolio highlights your best pieces, so include any pieces that you feel particularly confident in, as well as any that have garnered positive critical feedback. Your portfolio should also showcase your abilities, so feel free to include promising unfinished pieces that display any skills not seen in your other pieces. Whether you choose a digital or paper format for your portfolio will depend on your career goals, personal preference, and the type of art you typically create. If you are a graphic designer, for example, you will want to create a digital portfolio, as this will likely be the expected format. If you specialize in small, original drawings, you may want to include original or copies of your work in a physical portfolio to show to gallery or museum personnel. 2. Submit your art for display in a gallery. Learn how to get your art into a gallery to help you establish yourself as a professional artist. While the competition is fierce, And it may take some time for you to break into the gallery world. Getting into a gallery is a great step towards selling your art and making a living as a professional artist. As you start submitting your work, visit gallery openings and events to get to know the people that work there, as well as other artists. The more people get to know you, the more familiar they will become with your work. 3. Start social media accounts to display your art online. Regardless of where you are in your career as an artist, starting an Instagram and/or Facebook account to display your art online can give you a boost in recognition. Once you create an Instagram or Facebook account, start posting your art at least 3 times per week, if not every day, to familiarize your followers with your unique artistic style and perspective. You might also want to look into how to advertise on Instagram and Facebook to widen your social media audience and eventually boost your sales. 4. Display your art in public spaces. Think outside the box and reach out to various establishments to ask if you can display your art. Retail stores, restaurants, public parks, craft fairs, and festivals are great places to display your art and get noticed as a professional. Try to be creative, and don't be afraid to put yourself and your art out there. You never know what opportunity to exhibit your art might lead to a sale.
Earning a living as a professional artist.
1. Research the market to price your art. To determine how much to charge for your art, assess the size, shape, medium, weight, subject matter, colors, how long it took you to make it, how much the supplies cost, and how experienced you are at that particular artistic medium. Once you have determined these factors, research how much similar pieces in your area tend to sell for. You can do this by searching online, or by talking to stores, galleries, and other retailers that sell similar artwork. When you price your art, you need to be able to justify the amount. While your artwork is surely unique, so is every piece of original art. Thus, this cannot be a major factor in determining how much you should charge for your pieces. When you first start selling your art, you may have to sell it for less than what other established artists are selling their work for. After selling a few pieces, you can begin charging more. 2. Create a business plan. Regardless of what type of art you create, writing a business plan can help you establish your goals as a professional artist and determine your financial needs. As part of your business plan, research and outline the potential markets for your type of art. Take into consideration all the ways that you can potentially sell your art, as well as the prices you have determined for the various types of pieces you create. Then, outline in your business plan how many pieces you need to produce and sell to meet your financial needs, and how you are going to go about doing so. In determining your financial needs, consider all the things that you need to pay for, including food, housing, more art supplies, and any other expenses you incur on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. 3. Join professional art organizations. Search online to find professional organizations that are relevant to your type of artwork and sign up to become a member. This can help you establish yourself as a professional artist and send the message to potential clients and/or employers that you take your career as an artist seriously. In addition, professional organizations can provide opportunities for you to network with other artists, helping you spread the word about your work. Joining organizations and staying connected to local artistic communities is a great way to meet other artists, learn about the industry, and get exposure. 4. Sell your work in stores, galleries, or online. In addition to promoting your work, you can also sell your work in a store or gallery. While retail stores and galleries take a percentage of your sales, selling your art through such companies is a great way to expose your work to a larger audience and, hopefully, make more sales. In addition to brick-and-mortar options, look into the many ways to sell your art online, including through social media, an artist collective website, or through your own retail website. Learning how to sell your art on Etsy is also a great option. Etsy is a popular site that gets a lot of traffic, so it is a great way to expose your work to a large audience and help you make a living as a professional artist. 5. Create commission pieces. Wherever you display your art, advertise that you are also available to create original pieces for individual clients on commission. Most artists create commission pieces at some point in their careers. Working on commission may not be as steady or artistically fulfilling as following your own inspirations, but it can be a great way to get your art out into the world while making some money. The key to being successful as a commissioned artist is to be flexible and listen to your clients. While you want to stay true to yourself as an artist, you are also being paid to create something specific based on your client's needs. Finding a balance between what you want and what your clients want will make the experience mutually beneficial and, hopefully, help you build a positive reputation and land more commission work. 6. Teach art workshops and classes. As a professional artist, you can make money while sharing your knowledge and skills by teaching classes and/or workshops to budding artists. There are several opportunities you can look into, including teaching classes at a studio, gallery, community center, or school. Teaching can also help you stay up to date on current trends and techniques, helping you improve your own skills. You might even find that you learn some new ideas or find new inspiration from your students. You could offer different classes based on skill level and technique. For example, you might teach basic drawing classes for beginners as well as advanced shading techniques or still life watercolors for intermediate or advanced students. 7. Produce art for a company as an employee. Work as an in-house artist for a company in need of your artistic skills. There are many companies that hire professional artists, including software and print materials companies, advertising and design agencies, and motion picture companies. These types of companies are consistently in need of artists with various special skills, including graphic design, product label design, and illustration. Working as a professional artist for a company has the added benefit of ensuring that you have a steady salary.